Hello everyone, this is Charles. In this video we are going to see about exception handling in Java programming language. So first let's see what is exception. Exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of the program. Exception is an object that which is thrown at the runtime. So what is exception handling? Exception handling is a mechanism to handle the runtime error. So there are many exceptions like arithmetic exception, number array out of bound exception, number format exception, IO exception. There are a lot of exceptions. So exceptions are two types: checked exception and unchecked exception. So now let's get to the question and we'll see the program. Write a menu driven program in Java to automate the banking operation. Create custom exceptions to deal with the following situations. Account is first exception is this is our user defined exception, so we have to give our own exception. Account is created with initial balance less than 500. Withdraw operation when balance amount is less than withdraw amount. Account number is below 4 digits. So let's see the program. So util package I imported, then I created a class which is a banking, public class banking. Then I initialized balance as double, and I created a variable account number as integer. So this is the initialization to get the name. So void initialize double B throws bank X. So this throws will it's what it's saying means it should go to the main, and main will handle this exception. So this throws bank exception is there. So it will come here, bank exception. What is bank exception? This is a constructor. This is for low balance. Then here string S super of S. So here we have to catch try wherever we are thinking that here exception may happen, that we have to put it in try and we have to catch it. So here I just type B less than 500, throw new bank exception. Initial balance should be rupees 500 or greater, otherwise it will just initialize balance equal to B. So it will just print, if we type less than 500, it will print initial balance should be greater 50 or greater, should be rupees 500 or greater, sorry. Then for deposit, normal balance equal to balance plus whatever we are giving input. Withdraw, this is balance is if it is 0, we should say not sufficient balance, otherwise balance equal to balance minus whatever we want to withdraw the money. Then coming to the main function, here scanner class, then I created an object for object B for banking class. Then int k is equal 0, int I is equal 0 and j is equal 0. So here do while looping statement I used. If k equal to 0, this is the first condition. Enter your account number. Then so we need to try and put it in a catch, and it will throw the exception. So first in try, int x equal to, we are getting the input. If the x divided by 1000 less than 1, to check the that integers is if it is less than it should be a 4-digit number. If it is less than, it will print account number is less than 4 digit. For that, this is the logic. X divided by 1000, if it is less than 1, it should throw new bank exception. Account number is less than 4 digits. So bank exception, it will go here. So it is a string, so it will just print your account number is less than 4 digit. Else it will just normal, it will go and it will initialize that account number. That if we are giving 1 2 3 as account number, it will just initialize as account number. After try, we need to catch that exception, then only it will print that message. Sorry, after putting exception only it will print. So catch of exception, we need to create an object E, then we need to print system.out.println. If we want that message, E dot get message, it will print that message. Then continue means it should not stop, so it should go on, so it will come to next loop. If j equal to 0, enter your initial account. This I am getting amount balance. Then it will b dot initialize of, so initialize, it will come here. It is throwing an exception, so it will come here and it will print whatever message we gave. Then here also we should catch that exception to get the message. Then coming to the use menu driven operation, deposit, withdraw, balance, inquiry, exit. So here I use nested if. First enter the amount to deposit, so we should normal operation, deposit how much ever money we want, we need to give the input, and same for the withdraw. So for the withdraw, here I put try catch. So if try in that any exception is there, it will catch that exception and it will throw the message. So this is for just to balance, and if we type the wrong choice, it will go again and it will tell us to type again. We have to type the choice again. So then I am closing the scanner class. So this is the syntax to create our own exception. That is a custom exception class. That exception name extends. This is the exception already predefined class, so we are extending that exception. So this is a constructor. Then whatever we need to that throw, we can give here. Let's see the output. So first it's asking account number, so I'm giving 7. So it's saying account number is less than 4 digits. Let's see, I'm giving 1 2 3 4, so it accepted. Then initial amount I'm giving 100, so that is an exception. Initial balance should be 500 or greater, so I'm just giving 2000. Let's see, for the deposit I am depositing as 100. For withdraw I'm just taking 50. So let's see, balance inquiry 2050. So this is the exception handling in Java programming language. Thank you.